Alright guys, welcome to this day of creators. I'm going to show you guys how to make a free website builder. Okay, so for this demonstration, we're going to go to us.webnode.com. So you can literally just type in webnode.com. Basically, the same thing's going to show up. Easy and free website maker. So this is how we create a free website, guys. Alright, and we're just going to click here, create a website. Website name. We can put new website. We could put new website creator. Put email address. Let's do password in. Very quick, easy process. This will be the free website maker. And there's hosting too, guys. So that's the best part. Everything basically, I'm just gonna show you the guys the free version. Very simple, very easy to use. So you can have two choices. You can either choose the website version or the e-commerce for selling. For this example, we're gonna do e-commerce. So e-commerce is basically for selling something, and we want to make money, so this would be the best way to do it. So just pick a template. They have a huge variety of templates. So I mean, you can choose whatever for restaurants and food blogs. It's all preset, guys. Portfolios, newest. So for this thing, we're going to focus on e-commerce specifically, and you want something more intuitive. That's the goal here. So we're actually going to choose this one. All right, enter contact information for your store. So this, you would fill all this out. Uh, let's see if it lets me get away with not filling anything out. I think I filled out just a couple. So we're just doing a mock quick version so I can basically show you guys how this works, because it's very simple compared to other websites I've used. It was pretty complicated. They didn't really show you like a free trial. This is like one of those sites that it just gives you a template. It's intuitive. It's very easy to to edit, to improve. It's not one of those websites where it's like, oh, you gotta just get a domain first. They let you experiment basically everything, guys. We're doing an e-commerce store. So there you go. There's a website. So this is your web address. You need a web address. Copy that, put that in. So this is your special web address, guys. And as you do get a subscription, that web node will disappear. So it'll be your name title right here, the name of the site.com. So it'll be for this a new website creator.com, or you know, uh, dude105.com, whatever you guys choose, whatever name you choose. So I skip tutorial because I kind of done this before. So all natural soaps, stats, and oils. You can do anything. E-commerce website. No, it's not free. You can do everything. Handmade soap. Discounted items. You can just edit the text. They have the bold, different headings. Get a line to the middle. All that type of stuff. You can actually insert a link too. So when they click here, they get a link to somewhere else. You can put whatever link you want here, guys. You can put your own website link over here. You can put Amazon.com. Open up Amazon.com as a link. I think that's a hyperlink. Let's do this again. Okay, that's not adding the link to the code, so we're gonna do it like this. Oh, that'll be insert. Yeah, we don't have insert right here, so that would be something like this. But yeah, guys, just play around with the site. If you do want to put you can put your own links. If you have a YouTube, a file right here, HTML, do all that type of stuff. There's a lot of variations of things based off your experience, what you want to do, add products, manage products. Everything's extremely intuitive, extremely helpful. 1239, 439, big prices for things. Clusters of a soap. You get tabs it's already set for you guys basically. Quick contact and all this stuff is added. You can change the names of stuff too. Switch to another tab. And like I said, it just differentiates from other places like Bluehost or I think I used Wix or WordPress because it's so intuitive and no one really knows about it, and they allow a lot of freedom, so you can really get a lot of stuff done. And I just love it. It's one of those sites that I just keep using. And yeah, guys, this is all with the free subscription. This is all free. You see, I didn't really have to fill up much of anything, so this is good. This is what we use for my site, my public site, and yeah, this is the best way. And things are very instant. Let's edit something real quick. So the front page had all natural soap, stats, and oils. Remember, and I did change the name to free e-commerce website. So let's see how long it takes to publish and do everything. All right, different pages, everything. We're just gonna click publish right here, and website's being published. So there we go. That's the website. So e-commerce. So if I just refresh the page, basically instantly it will change the title. So guys, this is a great site to use. Webnote.com. All right. Webnote.com. This is the site, and you go through the link. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can find out easier. And congratulations, it's a free website creator. All right, guys, free website hosting.